Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the fuse, the relay for the exhaust flap is located on Mercedes GLC first generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about it, where you can find it. After that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the exhaust flap, guys, okay, come to show you what we need to check here now, guys. We will be working in a few different fuse boxes, but what you will, guys, need to check now specifically, okay, will be on the passenger side. We need to open the passenger door, and here in the footwell compartment on the passenger side on the A pillar, you have a cover. Remove it and you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, specifically we need to check fuse number 315. There will be multiple fuses we'll check today. It's for engine maintenance, and the exhaust flap. This is one of them right here. Another one, we need to open the hood, and when you open the hood facing the engine on the right side, right here, remove that cover, you have that fuse box. Here we need to check fuse 122 right there, 126 right here will need to be checked. Now the relay, guys, okay, for the exhaust flap, actually it's hidden. Where? Okay, if you open the glove box, you have to remove it. Now, if you don't know how to remove the glove box on Mercedes GLC, there will be multiple videos on YouTube that will teach you how to do that. Once you remove it, on the back side, behind the glove box, you have one relay known as relay 96. That will be the relay that you will need to check. That's the main relay for the exhaust flap. The fuses, practically, we checked are for the engine computer, which controls the exhaust flap, and you may want to check the engine pre-fuse box as well. We'll have the video on the channel if you want to check that one too, but the main relay that you need to check is behind the glove box. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.